Hi, I'm Brittany Barron, Director of Product Marketing at ShipBob. I know that running an e-commerce business is not easy this year. You're trying to find ways to grow efficiently while facing changes in shopper behavior and challenges with inflation and growing competition across marketing channels. You're looking for ways to grow your business, but do it efficiently while saving money and saving time. Our goal at ShipBob is to partner with you in your growth while allowing you to continue to save money and save time as you grow. Our summer release is full of tons of new capabilities to help you cut costs, save time while improving operations, delight your customers, and expand your reach across new channels and global markets. So what's new for summer? Number 1, new ways to save money and save time. We're investing heavily in our network, operations, technology, and carrier partnerships to bring cost and time savings to you. With thousands of customers shipping tens of millions of orders per quarter, we can bring savings across our entire customer base and attract unique carrier options that most brands don't have access to. We're expanding ShipBob Logistics with new sort centers in the US. These sortation sites mean faster, more reliable shipping for you and your end customers, more frequent carrier pickups from our full assortment of carriers, and really build upon the foundation of our hub and spoke network, middle mile, and future zone skipping efforts rolling out early next year. We previously launched our West Outbound Sortation Center earlier this year, and we'll be rolling out sort centers in the Northeast later this month and Southwest and Midwest in early October. We're also continuing to expand our hassle-free inventory distribution program, IPP, to help you save money on shipping costs, reduce operations workload, and cut time in transit, and really help you thrive during this year's peak. We've released customizable distribution plans and have smart replenishment recommendations coming soon, helping you know when, where, and how much inventory to replenish to keep your operations running smoothly. Number 2, new ways to delight shoppers. Your shoppers expect personal touches, and this is more important than ever with peak right around the corner. I'm excited to share ShipBob's new customization suite options designed to help you create memorable unboxing experiences that keep your customers happy and boost loyalty. Coming next month, we have 4 new gift note and marketing insert options that showcase your brand in an elevated way, wow shoppers with personalized unboxing, and empower them to keep coming back for more for both themselves and the people they love the most. All new options will be printed on demand, in color, on high-quality cardstock at ShipBob warehouses across the US. Number 3, new ways to go global. ShipBob DDP has officially gone global, enabling you to ship orders DDP from any ShipBob location to 250 plus destinations worldwide for a more transparent, reliable, and amazing cross-border shopper experience for your end customers. We've also expanded our integrations to offer you new ways to implement DDP so you can choose the option that best fits your business needs no matter where you are on your global expansion journey. And we continue to grow Section 321 from Mexico and Canada, enabling you to store high-duty products in our Toronto or Tijuana warehouses and bypass costly import fees. And number 4, new capabilities to help you sell everywhere. We can fulfill your orders on every platform, from the most popular e-commerce platforms to social channels and marketplaces to over 100 retail partners via EDI. New for summer, we're continuing to make it easier to sell on TikTok Shop and manage all your orders from a single pool of inventory in ShipBob's dashboard. Take advantage of our competitive rates and really delight TikTok shoppers with unboxing experiences, and importantly, be able to keep that customer data to remarket outside of the platform. And there's tons more. Please check out our new summer page and join me and Drew next week on August 14th for a live overview of our summer release. Can't wait to see you there.